Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Narrated Abu Huraira, may Allah be pleased with him. One day, while the Prophet was sitting in the company of some people, the angel Gabriel came and asked, "What is the faith?" Allah's apostle replied, "Faith is to believe in Allah, His angels, the meeting with Him, His apostles, and to believe in resurrection." Then he further asked, "What is Islam?" Allah's apostle replied, "To worship Allah alone and none else, to offer prayers perfectly, to pay the compulsory charity, zakat, and to observe fasts during the month of Ramadan." Then he further asked, "What is ihsan, perfection?" Allah's apostle replied, "To worship Allah as if you see Him. If you cannot achieve this state of devotion, then you must consider that He is looking at you." Then he further asked, "When will the hour be established?" Allah's apostle replied, "The answer has no better knowledge than the questioner, but I will inform you about its portents. When a slave lady gives birth to her master, when the shepherds of black camels start boasting and competing with others in the construction of higher buildings, and the hour is one of 5 things which nobody knows except Allah." The Prophet then recited, "Verily, with Allah alone is the knowledge of the hour." Then that man Gabriel left, and the Prophet asked his companion to call him back, but they could not see him. Then the Prophet said, "That was Gabriel who came to teach the people their religion." Abu Abdullah said, "He, the Prophet, considered all that as a part of faith." Jazakallah.